Spaced mixtape. I never thought that I'd love a bitch. Here's a love story with a little twist. A year or two ago I had my first fat spliff, followed by a cold drink and a bag of crisp. Hit my lungs but I carried on toking. Took a couple more, felt my windpipe roasting. Told my mother that I'm gonna stop smoking, but when I leave weed I feel my heart's broken. Too much love for my cannabis. You can choose to hate or be a fan of this. Food smells stronger than a can of fish, and you know it's real peak when the zoot vanishes. Got me strapping up the next one, smile on my face cause I know I'm gonna get some. I'll be smoking up Thai, fuck that red rum. Piff weed with my dons, it's the best fun. Munching down biscuits, blazing to crime, I guess I'm brave enough to risk it. Flows hard so I don't need to switch it, feeling like a million, so fuck a rich kid. Many people try to split us up, but if I got the P you know that I'll be picking up. See, I ain't a fan of this written stuff, but you see my thoughts on the beat when I rip it up. You could call it a love song. I'll be marrying the bitch cause I love bongs. If blazing isn't right, I guess I love wrong. No chick could ever match the cloth that she's cut from. I think this shit's getting to my brain. Body's numb, I can't feel no pain. For all my dons that understand what I'm saying, this is how I feel when I link up with Mary Jane. Spaced, one take.